Don't go to the mountain if you are not ready to. Hello guys, today we went to the mountain for a shoot. So this is me and this is my mother at the back, Joy and Castello. So today we wanted to just like shoot through this mountain in my area. So I hope you guys love the view of the place. So I'm going to be using a natural light to shoot. First of all, we have to allow our model to change it to her dresses so that we can actually start shooting. Here is me trying to look around the environment and trying to show off that kind of stuff. So, and it was really cool coming up to this mountain, and I love the environment, and I wish I could actually build a house around this area. So guys, my model here on top of the tree, so wanted to composite our model with the tree and see how the picture comes out. So in this shoot, I'll be using my Sony R3 and my 50mm 1.4. So stay tuned and watch the result. Whoop. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.